Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to start a free trial on OneDrive. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account on OneDrive and then select this option right here called start free trial. Now you need to select this option right here called add a new payment method. Now select on it and you can choose one of these options. You can add your PayPal, you can add your credit card or debit card, and you can also pay through Venmo. And after selecting one of these options, you need to enter the details about that option. If you are going with your credit card or debit card, then you need to enter here the card details, and after that you need to select on save, and then you need to just get the payment done, and after that you can successfully start your free trial on OneDrive. So that's it for the video now. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content, and thanks for watching.